Okay, we're gonna do a short tour of St Lucie Lock and Dam Campground in Stuart, Florida. It's Army Corps of Engineers campground. There's 8 boat campsites. Looks like they all have power. Horseshoe pit, boat ramp, picnic table, pavilion. There's 8 boat sites. There's 9 RV sites and 3 tent sites. We're gonna walk along all of them. Let's see, sites 1, 2 are riverfront. This pavilion we just passed here is reservable. That's the pavilion. Over here is Allegro Bay on campsite 1. So 1, 2, and 3 are canal front. Cummins 300 horsepower. I used to have one of them. So they have all concrete pads. There's water and electric on every site. So 1, 2, and 3 are canal front. I've stayed on site 1. There's 3 tent sites. I don't think I'm gonna bother to walk them. The little red station over there is a charging station for solar charging station for devices. The lock is active, I want to say, from 8 in the morning till 4:30 in the afternoon. Then it's closed for the day. Right now you can't walk on it, they said, because of the state of the country, whatever that meant. Anyhow, there's a turnaround down there. Nice tent camping sites, really, by my estimation. I was a tent camper in my day. I'm in one of these motorhomes now, though. There's site 4. As you can see, it's a great big site. We got a camper coming in. Site 5 is large. That's RV 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Hello. Campsite 6, it looks like it's gonna get a camper, being as it's the only one without a camper. Well, 7, I guess. Next to me is still open for now. I'm gonna take a shortcut, show you number 8. Don't know where he's going. Must not belong here, because that is not the way to a campsite. And then there's number 9. I think 9 has the, I don't know, maybe not. They're all pretty long pads. Down there is the dump station, which may be what he's here for, because you can just pay to use the dump station. Probably what he's doing, would be my guess. There's a fishing pond over there. I go back to my own campsite. Parking for the boat ramp. It's a pretty good boat ramp. It's above the lock. Just for information, there is another public boat ramp. Well, not public, but another boat ramp below the lock at Phipps Campground. This is the Port St Lucie Lock and Dam Campground. So if you have a national park pass or want to pay for the day, you can use this ramp. I actually have a pass. And that pretty well sums it up. Every campsite has a nice barbecue pit, fire pit, picnic table, concrete pad, water and electric hookups in the proper location. I don't really like that fire pit being right next to my camper, but there's not a lot you're gonna do about it. I guess if I had to, I'd move over 3 feet. Might have to do that. Anyhow, see you later from the Port St Lucie Lock and Dam Campground.